Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to import or transfer Mozilla Firefox data like history, passwords, and other information into the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Edge web browser and select the three-dotted menu icon up at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that and go down and select settings. On the right side, you want to select import browser data and then select import data from Firefox, import bookmarks, passwords, history, and other browser data from Firefox. And then you want to select the import button. So you can select the favorites or bookmarks, saved passwords, personal info, or browsing history. You can uncheck certain options if you'd rather not import certain pieces of information. And then you would select import. It should say all done. We've brought your data over. Then you can select done. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.